Doesn't that look good?
What is it?
It's my green drink.
Blueberries.
Banana.
Cashew milk. Oh yeah. Hey, I think the water's done.
The date. Oh wait, there is one more thing too. Hold on. A little of that. Got a little of everything in
If
there.
that doesn't make me healthy, nothing will.
I know.
Yikes.
Oh, check out the bugs.
Oh yeah. That's the dates.
Yep.
That's good stuff. That's good. Awesome.
It is.
Today, we're doing some minor home improvements and mostly cleaning. Time to go up into town. We need pots, dirt, paint, what else? Geraniums,
Maybe
and anything else that sticks out.
like a mermaid or something.
Yeah, like a mermaid. Yeah, we need one of those. Couple. I decided not to go to Supercar Sunday today because it's just been a lot of driving the last few days. But it seems like Malibu is pretty much its own Supercar Sunday today
It is.
because there's cars, cool cars everywhere. Check this out. Kathie's pot. Oh! Did you get everything you wanted?
I did.
Excellent. Let's go.
What kind of plant is it?
This is a plumeria. It's going to flower in yellow, and it's going to look absolutely awesome.
Gorgeous.
Time for lunch with all this stuff.
This.
Jalapeno sauce.
I could just live on this.
I think we do.
However, we do need this to go in this. Pure
Awesome time at the beach, although we did have a small, interesting incident. It wasn't really an incident, it was, I'm not really sure what it was, but we met a girl on the beach. Actually, what I was doing was, Kathy and I were sitting there, and we saw this girl sitting next to us, and she had this really cute dog. The dog that you saw earlier in the vlog, who was playing on the water and doing different things. Super cute dog, but there was a guy that was kind of creeping on her, just a little strange. So she went into the water to kind of get away from him. Then I went up to the water and I told her to come over, and I said, hey, is this guy creeping on you? And she said, yeah. So I said, hey, why don't you come and sit next to us and we'll eat some chocolate and just kind of hang out. And so she did. The guy hung out by her towel for the next maybe 10-15 minutes before he kind of got the drift that he should just like move on, which eventually he did. Then about a half an hour later, we walked up to our car and we saw the guy, I'm pretty sure it was the same guy, standing by his car. It looked like he was waiting for her to come back up. But there's a security guard that was at the top of the stairs, so I told him about what happened, and he was going to take care of it. So, you know, the thing about going to the beach and hanging out with groups of people, and the reason I think that a lot of people have anxiety and fear about people is that, you know, all you need is one bad apple to make everybody kind of get creeped out and get the willies and weird things happen. But for the most part, I believe in people. People are good-natured, even if they may do things wrong or make mistakes. We all make mistakes. I make mistakes all the time. But the bottom line is that we're all doing the best that we can, right? There's nothing more that we can do than our absolute best day to day. We just have to ask ourselves, are we doing our best? And for this vlog, I always want to do the absolute best that I can do for you guys. Show the best cars, do the best car shows, everything else. We just put up a poll that asks you guys what you like best about the vlog, and so far it's been an interesting turnout. I'm not going to reveal what the final numbers are. We're going to let it go for about a week or so and see what comes up with it. But if you get a chance to look at the poll and pick some of the best things, that way you let me know what it is that you guys want to see most, whether it's car shows or muscle cars or exotics or classics or everything, you know. And then that gives us an opportunity to always give you guys the absolute best of what it is that we have here. But that's it for today. This is Sunday. This is vlog 405, kind of like the freeway, you know, 405. And this week we got some really interesting things that are going on. So tomorrow we're going to be heading back down to the museum. We're going to be heading over to, it's hump day, so I can't even tell you what it is that we're doing. You don't even know the car that we're driving. And if you don't even know the guests that I'm going to have, you don't know squat, but you will soon. Okay, that's it. We'll see you guys mañana. Sleep well.